So God created the earth. He was really happy with himself and he said, I should take a rest for some while. Then he got up and was like, what to do next? He made men. Very happy with the results. He took rest for a while again. Then he made women. Since then, neither the God rested nor did the men. Girls, women, we are the most vibrant, most vivacious, over-dramatic, over-crazy creation of God. And we don't, like for me, I am very dramatic, my friends know, I'm very dramatic, but I'm very straightforward. If I like something, I'll say I like it. If I don't like something, I'll say I don't. But majority of us are not like that. And it's very difficult for boys to actually get what we actually say and what we mean and what we expect. So in this whole confusion, I would like the boys here, and there are a lot of boys here, so I would like to help you out. So you guys take out your pen, papers, and just listen to me closely. It's not going to help you to understand women, but the next time something hits you, you'll know what has happened. So the first thing, I'll start with fine. The word fine is used and abused by women so often. Fine just simply means that they know that they're right in an argument and they want you to stop talking. So the best thing to do at that point of time would be stop talking and wait for her to settle down. Number 2, 5 minutes. Now if a girl is getting ready, that means at least half an hour. 5 minutes means 5 minutes. If she has given you time to watch a cricket match or a football match and she's waiting for you to help her out. So that is when 5 minutes means 5 minutes. The third one is the most dreaded phrase that a guy can ever hear. We need to talk. Now, we need to talk simply translates into I have to complain to you. So guys, do not be afraid. Just listen to what she has to say and just keep on, saying, I know, I understand. In the middle, she's not going to realize that you're not even listening to her half of the time. And she'll think this is the best conversation she's ever had with you. The next one. Go ahead. This is a dare, not a permission. Don't do it. Next one. Nothing. Nothing is never nothing. It's always something. And any argument that begins with a nothing generally ends in fine. The next one. Thanks. Now, if at all a girl will say thank you to you, do not be surprised, don't faint. Just say you're welcome. But there's one clause to this. Do not say you're welcome when a girl says thanks a lot. Thanks a lot does not mean that she's thanking you. It's pure sarcasm. Alright. If at all you say you're welcome to thanks a lot, the next thing that's going to come to you is whatever. Whatever is a girl's way to show you the relevant finger. Next one. Your girlfriend comes up to you and asks you, am I looking fat? You look at her from top to bottom. That's the first mistake. And you say, no, not at all. The girl is fuming all over the place. The wrong answer to this question would lead you probably, she's not going to talk to you for, I think, probably 1 week, majorly. No kisses, no hugs, no sweet talks, no party, no going out. This is single-handedly the most offensive thing actually you can say to a girl. And even if you are like, no, you're not fat, there's going to be like, my dress doesn't fit, can't you see? You're not even noticing me. If you say, yes, yes, you have gained weight, yeah, you're actually like all those anorexic chicks that you see in your Victoria's Secrets that you see Google all around. So yeah, so so I got carried away, sorry. The correct answer to this one is, tell her, not at all baby, you're the most beautiful girl for me in the whole world. And you can go a step ahead and tell her that she needs to gain a few kilos and probably hope silently that she grows some brains to get that extra weight. The last one, alright. The last one is the dreaded silence. They say a silent man is a thinking man, but a silent woman is a really, really, really mad woman. She is so fuming, she's so angry at you that she doesn't even want to talk to you. It is a stage of ultimate ignorance. She doesn't even want to acknowledge your presence. She doesn't care what you have to say. Anything after this, the silent mode, after that, whatever you say does not matter to her at all. Nothing you can say or do is going to reverse whatever you've done. You can just secretly hope that next time that topic comes up, it does not bite you in the rear and you are able to handle it properly. So yeah, these are a few out of the million, hundred things that girls say and do. I've just tried to sum it up for you guys. And for all you girls here, if most of us, we are like that. And for those who believe that they're not, just get a reality check. Who are you today? Thank you.